Hey, what's up, Sam? Good morning. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for clicking on this video and taking the time to watch. I spoke with Selena in your office yesterday morning. She said it'd be okay to go ahead and send you guys this quick video. Just wanted to briefly go over some things that you guys could do to help improve your online presence, start bringing in some more customers through your website. Now, if you're wondering why I'm even making this video, I find a lot of business owners don't have the time to learn how to really make the internet work for themselves and start bringing in more customers. And the only thing that's usually holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So, and what usually happens is when I give these attack plans out for free, people will still call me back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I just prefer you take care of this stuff for me. So, at the end of the video, Sam, you see I really do have some, tricks up my sleeve and I can do some good for you guys' business. Definitely give me a call. We can talk about it further. And if you guys just want to take this information, apply it yourself, and run with it, that works with me too. My goal here is just to help people if I can. So, the things I want to go over is how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked in the local map pack, okay? So the first thing we see by looking at your website, again, at a glance, it looks great, right? You guys are, definitely doing a lot better than a lot of other companies because you even have a website. It looks green, it looks clean. I like the theme. It's very well done. I don't know who did it, if you guys paid someone or you did it yourselves, but the website itself does look good. Now, I hate to burst a bubble. Unfortunately, though, Google is not so concerned with how nice the website looks. One thing you guys definitely want to do is, although it looks good, you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage, right? Google is going to put the person at the top of the organic search results. They're going to put the person in the front that can answer the consumer's questions the most, right? And if you don't have enough content, they're not going to see you guys fit to be able to answer those consumers' questions. So that's why having that much content on your homepage is important. Just hopping real quick over to one of you guys' bigger competitors, Precision Heating and Air. I don't know if you know this guy or not, but you can see just by looking at their website, they have a lot more content. I would say they're about 1,000, 1,200 words. I don't know if they're in between 1,500, 2,000, but either way, that's what you guys want to have on your homepage is at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Going on to how to make it more trustworthy, I hopped into a tool we use called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us a lot of really valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. So speaking on how you guys gain trust through Google is that's going to be judged on how many other relevant websites are pointing back to your website, which is what we call referring domains. So you guys have 91, which is a great start, right? And you can see you guys are getting some traffic to your website. You're getting about 250 people a month or so. You're ranking for a lot of keywords. But to go in here, you guys want to get some of this traffic that Precision Heating and Air is getting, because you can see they're getting about 1,300 people a month to their website. They have 300 referring domains pointing back to them. So what you guys can do, actually, it's really simple, is you just kind of need to go in here, find all the exact same websites that are relevant to you guys' industry, and go in, make an account if you have to, apply for a spot basically. But websites like Muzu, you know what I mean, these different like directories and stuff like that, these guys will allow you to have your information placed on there, and that will share some of that power with you. And the last thing, again, is also really simple too, is how to get you guys ranked in this local map pack, okay? A lot of people, kind of overlook this stuff. They're not really sure how this happens. All this is based on is how many citations you guys have. And what a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address is listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, Facebook is even one. So go and find, literally all you need to do is find the exact same directories that Precision is one of your bigger competitors, right? They come up at the top of the organic search results, and they're at the top of the map pack. So you can see why that number of traffic is so high for these guys. But just a quick recap. Again, Sam, I know this is a lot of information. I don't want it to be too daunting, but there's basically a lot of business to be had. If you guys were to go and add some more content to your homepage, 1,000, 1,500 words or so, that's going to help you guys out. Go in and do some research on your competitors, find out exactly which referring domains they have. Go in and apply for spots, and basically share those spots with them. And then the same thing, Go and find out the directories that these guys are listed in, get yourselves in the same one and add 50 more to it, right? So yeah, Sam, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get this video over to you shortly. If you have any questions, concerns, saw that there was something I might be able to do to help you guys out, feel free to give me a call. We can talk about it more. If you guys just want to take it and run with it, like I said too, that's totally fine. I just hope you guys found something useful here. So, again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks, Sam. Have a good one. Bye.